Hello, and welcome to Mr. Franklin Explains Some Math. I hope you can see what's going on here with my screen. This is the homework assignment assigned on either April 8th or April 9th during the coronavirus quarantine. So, just to briefly explain what's going on with this assignment, if you read the directions, I think it's pretty clear, but let me just go over this part of the equation is called the standard form of the equation. It's a quadratic equation. It shows the value of a in front of the x squared, the value of b in front of the x, and the value of c, which is the constant. All of this depends on the equation being equal to 0. All of the ones that I give you today are already equal to 0, but that might not always be the case. So in my example here, we can see that a, the number in front of the x squared, is 2. B, the number in front of the x, equals 3. And C, the constant, is -1. It's really important to notice that the signs of these numbers are important. So when this says subtract 1, that means that C is -1. In another example down here, looking at this quadratic equation, there's no number in front of the x squared. That means that a equals 1, not 0. It's a common misconception that if there's no number in front of the variable, then that number is 0 because you can't see it. That's not true. It's 1. And also in this case, b equals -3 and c equals +4. So let's try one together. These are the problems that you're expected to do. I'll do the first one for you. Looking at this, I can see that the value of a is -1. Sometimes when this is written out, this would simply say -x squared. I just wanted to highlight that if it says -x squared, then that means that that number is -1. Hopefully it's obvious that it's not -0. Looking at the coefficient of the x term, that's called the b. Since it's subtract 2x, that means that b is -2. And c, the constant, is 4. Now, if you can try the other examples here, type the numbers right into the Google Doc and submit it by turning it in. I will know that you did it, and I will comment for you if you did it right. Thank you. Stay safe, stay sane, and I will see you on the other side.